Shalom, back with part 2, Regeneration, Reincarnation. Now, let's continue scrolling down here on the definition of regeneration. And you see what it says down here at the bottom? Okay. Now, right above it, it'll say restoration of the Ish nation after exile. Again, that's talking about really Judah, Benjamin, Levi, the southern kingdom. Okay, which again, we're not back. We're still in exile, right? Because you're talking about the Negro, Latino, and Native American that make up the 12 tribes of Israel, plus our brothers and sisters that are scattered into the other Gentile heathen nations, made look like the other nation, speaking that nation's tongue. Nonetheless, they're Israelites by the seed of their father, because Israel is scattered throughout the nations. Okay? You understand that? All right? So, of recovery of knowledge by recollection. You see that? Again, we read that, right? I believe in Jude, right? Give me a minute. Right? What did we read? Right? You would be put into recollection, right? Into remembrance. I will therefore put you in remembrance, though ye once knew this. You see that? You understand the scriptures, you knew about regeneration because the prophets knew about it. And again, we're going to give you examples of that. All right? And that the Lord, having saved the people out of the land of Egypt, afterward destroyed them that believed not. Right? And again, look, all right? Give me a minute. All right, here was the warning. And this warning was given unto Moses, and gave it unto the Israelites. You must not bow down to them or worship them. Again, talking about your oppressors, Esau, Edom, okay, the Egyptians, any one of them, okay? For I, the Lord, right, Yahweh, your God power, am a jealous God who will not tolerate your affections for any other God. And there are no other gods. That's also covered in the scriptures anyway. All right? The point is, we're only supposed to worship our power, Yahweh, all right, along with his son, Yahweh Shai, okay, who died for the nation of Israel, not the world, okay? The Lord deals in nations, people, all right? And there's separation all throughout the scriptures. So I lay the sins of the parents upon the children, and the entire family is affected, even the children in the third and fourth generations of those who rejected me. You see that? Do you understand that, people? Right? That's why we're still under the curses, right? Regeneration. You understand? We're still in exile. We haven't gone home yet. You understand? Give me a minute. Deuteronomy 28:64, which is part of the curses, from verse 15 through 68. Okay? And what does it say here? And the Lord, right, Yahweh shall scatter thee, right, among all people, see, from one end of the earth, even unto the other, right, into the Gentile heathen nations, and there thou shalt serve other gods, which neither thou or thy fathers have known, even of wood and stone. Got it? You understand? Give me a minute. All right, this is Escalates 1 and 4. One generation passes away, right? And another generation cometh, but the earth abideth forever. So you should always remember that. The earth is not going to explode when the arrows of the Lord, those ICBMs, that thermonuclear fire, start touching down on America and the corporate state of Israel and maybe certain parts of Europe. The earth is not going to explode and blow up. The earth abideth forever. But again, we're talking about regeneration, reincarnation. One generation passes away and another generation cometh. We'll be right back with parts 3 and 4. Shalom.